So many days have passed, but are you serious for your life? Are you serious for the new year resolution? Or are you actually serious for whatever you want to do? The new you, new me, new year? I don't think so. Because you right there watching this video hasn't even started 1% of what he or she dreamed, what he or she planned this new year. I'm here to remind you that we have a lot of work pending. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just get started. And before starting on, make sure to hit that subscribe icon so that you don't miss any more videos and you don't miss on your life. I know me talking about consistency is something very contradicting, but together we will this year definitely beat being inconsistent. The first point here, make your vision board. I'm not saying ki make something, go do, light up candles, print out pictures. No, do as you want, but have a vision, have a goal, have a aim, have monthly goals, weekly goals, yearly goals. Okay? Vision board just summarizes your whole year's goals and it's right in front of you. If you don't want to put it in a canvas, make a diary. See it every day. Put it as a picture, clip it on your desk or clip it on your workspace so that you keep seeing it. You don't forget it that yeah, this is my goal, I have to work for it. Do you get what I'm saying? And once your vision board is done, once you've made, you would keep seeing that. You would keep reminding your brain that yeah, this is what I'm working for, this is what I want to achieve, and that would motivate you to keep on going. Moving on. Second point, be consistent. People often get confused between being consistent and being disciplined, but I think consistency gives you discipline. Once you are consistent for months, that becomes your habit, that gives you the discipline in your life, in your daily routine. The one who's not disciplined, everything is unmanaged. He just has so many things to do but doesn't do one of it. So we are not gonna be that person. We're not gonna lose this time. This year is not to suck but to ace it. And we are gonna be consistent, making our vision board. And the next point coming on is planning. Plan everything. Plan your week, plan your finances, plan your coming week, plan your day. It just makes you more organized. You don't have to think कि अब मुझे क्या करना है, what is next, what do I have to do next, what do I have in mind. So plan your slots in day or plan your things in a week that this I have to do grocery shopping, I have to make it in this. Plan everything. And once you start planning, it becomes your habit. You are more managed, you are more consistent, you are more disciplined. It all leads to the same point. So we are right here to win this year. Days have passed and अभी भी अगर तुम लोगों की आंखें नहीं खुली है तो आप खोलो. Because this is the next point. Keeping your health your priority. Right now, there might be trends keep going out, ye, wo, always. You have to keep yourself healthy. Eat according to the season. Eat seasonal fruits. That will give you the skin, that will give you the glow, that will give you the nutrients that your body needs. Don't go out, eat junk often. Of course, everyone loves junk. I eat junk, I love junk. But don't make it a habit. Once a week or once in 2 weeks, you can go all out. But if you're going all out, make sure to remember this next point, that is get all the good things for your body. That is do your exercise, drink water, go out in sun. I have told these 3 points in each and every video of mine, and I don't know how important these points are, but taking that sunlight is very, very important for you. You might not realize it now, but you will regret it later on in future if you don't take sunlight or if you don't drink your water properly. Next, keep yourself groomed. Abhi thand hai, now it's cold. बाद में करेंगे, yeah, today I'll not take bath. Fine, but keep yourself clean. Groom yourself properly. Make yourself presentable. If someone's seeing you, they would want to approach you. They don't feel like कि ew, इससे तो दूर ही रहना चाहिए, इससे क्या बात करें. Keep your clothes ironed properly. Make yourself a neat hairstyle. If you're opening your hair, make it look clean, not just all over the place. If you're going to someone, make sure you have a good scent. You are taking care of your body so that after everyone works hard and everyone sweats, so it's nothing to be ashamed of. But use deodorants, take bath daily, wear clothes which are your skin friendly, which makes you more confident and more comfortable. And one more thing that I would like to add is don't fall for the trends. I kid you not, this year, let's just stop falling for trends and start falling for ourselves. Yes, that's the mantra that I have for this year. Stop falling for the trends. That just, gives us more insecurities, reduces our finances. Like, You won't even know, but you will be in the trend. You will be like, हाँ ये ले लेते हैं, हाँ ये boots ले लेते हैं, हाँ ये jacket ले लेते हैं, हाँ ये वाला top ले लेते हैं. I have so much here in my closet, and now I feel like, how do I style them? उस time तो ले लिया था, but now what do I do of them? Exactly my point. Get stable clothes. Get things what you feel more confident in. Get outfits that you think कि हाँ इससे minimum 5 outfits I can make. Get those pieces. Next, try leveling up. Try listening to podcasts. Start reading. Start reading about whatever degree, whatever course you're doing. That would definitely help you, and that would help you in your career, help you in your future, and that wouldn't give you any anxiety. Trust. Next point, start doing meditation. If you're very, distracted and you cannot focus, start with a 5-minute or a 7-minute guided meditation. That would give you that focus. So once you start that 5 minutes, you can move on after 3-4 days to 10 minutes guided routine, and then you can do that meditation in the evening or once before sleeping. That would definitely increase the depth of your sleep. It would be a very sound sleep without बीच में ऐसे नींद टूटना नहीं होगा. Try waking up early in morning, because once a person tries to wake up early in morning, it धीरे-धीरे becomes a routine, and with a routine, it just becomes a habit. So the habit of waking up early will give you more time. We all know in night, even if it is 10 or 11 o'clock, we won't be that productive, which after getting up in morning, we would be. Last point, try learning how to cook. Cook at least one meal for yourself. This is very, very important for both boys and girls, because cooking is a life skill. It's a very, very important skill, because no matter who you are, घर का खाना सबको याद आएगा. तो एक ना एक दिन तुम सब घर का खाना क्रेव करोगे, और तुम घर के बाहर होगे, या मान लो मम्मी नहीं है तो तुम घर तो नहीं चला दोगे, किचन तुम्हारे भरोसे से छोड़ के गए ना. और अगर तुम बाहर हो, जैसे मेरी तरह कॉलेज में, you cannot eat out every day. It's not even healthy. So know some basics. Start cooking. Once you start cooking, तुम्हें खुद से interest आएगा, and then you can cook whatever you want. That would definitely help you. So whatever points I've told you, one bit of it doesn't cost anything, but it does cost your determination. It does cost your change in mindset. So if you all are ready, we all are gonna ace it this year. So comment down below which was your favorite point, and I would make a part 2 of this very soon. Till then, bye. I love you all.